How to find your clipboard history on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily find your clipboard history on your Android device. So what you basically want to do is first, in order to find the clipboard history, you can go over to any notes app over here. And then what you basically want to do is bring out your keyboard. Now this depends on which keyboard you're using on your Android device. I'm currently using Google Keyboard. And on Gboard, you can directly find the this clipboard icon on your keyboard tools. If you don't find it here, you can just find it on the menu section. Tap on the menu icon, and then you can just drag and drop it on your quick access toolbar. Then, if you just tap on the clipboard icon, it will show you all of the recent text that you have copied. And if you don't have your clipboard enabled, just make sure that this toggle is turned on, and then you should be able to find your entire clipboard history. You can do the same thing on other keyboards as well. So if I just turn on Samsung keyboard, it's going to show me the same thing. I have this clipboard icon right over here. I can just tap on it, and it's going to show me the entire copy my clipboard history. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you can easily find your clipboard history on Android. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.